Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do the practical demo of transient analysis of an series RC circuit. I am considering this tap is an voltage and this pipe is acting like an resistor and this empty tub acts like an empty capacitor. Okay, so now as soon as you apply the voltage, the current will flow, water will flow into the pipe and capacitor gets charged through the water. Okay, so in order to understand this transient analysis, so initially we know that in transient it has two states. One is a transient state and another one is a steady state. In transient state, what happens is the capacitor acts as an short circuit. To understand this analogy, I am considering this tap is an voltage and this pipe is acting like an resistor and this empty tub acts like an empty capacitor. Okay, so now as soon as you apply the voltage, the current will flow, water will flow into the pipe and capacitor gets charged through the water. Okay, now let's try to demonstrate. As soon as the tank becomes full, automatically the whatever the water we need to fill will be available in the tank. Automatically current will become zero in steady state. Let's try to demonstrate. Okay, now I had given excitation to the RC circuit. As soon as I give the excitation, you can see here the current is very high amount. Okay, so this is called the rate of flow of water, which we call it as a current. So slowly the empty capacitor is getting full. This time is called as a transient time. In this transient time, automatically the capacitor gets charged. So slowly with higher rate, the water tub is getting full. Similarly, the capacitor also will get fully charged with the help of this current. Okay, as soon as the tub reaches the maximum level, so water is full, automatically water will not flow into the tank, automatically current will be zero. So you can see here the time taken by the transient will be less than 60 seconds or very less. Okay, this period of filling the tub is called as transient time. Automatically you can see here now the tub is full. If we cannot make the water to flow inside the tub. So now what is the voltage we given is to 10 liters and 10 liters is already available in the tub, where source voltage is equal to voltage across the capacitor. Automatically the capacitor is in full condition. This is how to understand the transient response of RC circuit. Thank you for watching. We will see the more practical demo in some other video.